Vernier calipers are precision measuring instruments. Handle them carefully. Before use, their accuracy must always be inspected each time. Close the jaws completely and check that the zero graduation on the caliper body is aligned with that on the vernier. Next, check that there are no gaps or overlaps between the body and the beaks. Gaps can easily be found by putting them up to the light. The depth bar should be pressed against a flat surface. And once again, check that the zero graduation on the caliper body is aligned with that on the vernier. Let's try using it. For example, for a piston, accuracy of 1/100th of a millimeter is needed. So vernier calipers that can only measure up to 1/10th of a millimeter will not be enough. These can be used to measure things up to 1/10th of a millimeter. A clutch disc, for example. Here, we will measure the outside diameter of a commutator. Close the jaws slowly and measure the outside diameter. The jaws must be pressed squarely relative to the surface being measured. This is a bad example because the lower surface of the jaw is tilted and there's a gap on one side. Unless the object being measured has narrow grooves, use the inner portion of the jaws for measurement. To measure inside diameters, first press the beak on the caliper body against one side, like this, and then slowly widen the beak on the vernier to measure the inside diameter. Let's try measuring the depth of a rivet hole on a clutch disc. First, pull out the depth bar, like this. Press the end against the bottom of the hole, and push the bar in firmly. The end of the depth bar has a cutaway step. This is to avoid rounded corners at the bottom of the object being measured. To measure the depth of the bottom accurately,